Hello, Miriam.
Hello, Johanna.
So you said that you were also playing theater in high school.
Yes, I was in some plays in high school. But yeah, this is like my first big role. It's gonna be hard work, I think, but a lot of fun.
Yes.
I hope. I find it funny how close those two sisters are. Like the Brewster sisters, they're very
Yes.
close.
But there are differences between them, I would say. How would you say, what's the difference between?
Agnes is more talkative,
Yeah.
so that means I have more lines to learn than you.
Yeah, you have a bit more lines.
But you're more intelligent. Your character.
Yeah. I think the theme of our play, Arsenic and Old Lace, it's also quite a recent theme because it's about some dying aid, I think, or how do you say?
Like euthanasia.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, that because we are very proactive in that sense, we don't even ask people if they would like.
Yeah, that's the difference to real life, I think. We don't ask.
Yes, and but we also don't really have a problem with it. Rather, we think that the other people are merciful and want it. So
we think they somehow want it deep inside.
Yes, and we're just helping them to get what they actually
it's a
really
charity.
want to them. Yes, of course.